Kakarating nga lang namin dito sa Ryan's Kawayanan Seafood. So dito tayo magla-lunch ngayon. Pagdating pa nga lang namin, meron na agad sa amin nag-assist na parking staff. Very hassle-free and their parking space guys is super spacious. At ito na agad yung bubungad sa'yo. Napakaganda at napaka-presko ng ambience. Tabi lang kasi sila ng dagat kaya perfect talaga kung gusto mong mag-relax at magmuni-muni dito. You can choose to dine in outdoor near the water or pwede rin sa kanilang cozy private huts kung gusto nyo naman na mas intimate na bonding with your family or friends. Meron din silang ditong open space kung gusto mo yung medyo presko lang. Umorder na nga ako dyan, and by the way paluto style sila dito. Ikaw mismo ang mamimili ng fresh seafoods na gusto mo, then ipapaluto mo sa kanila depende sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong luto. So they have a lot of options naman, and sometimes sila na rin yung nagre-recommend. To give you an idea, meron sila ditong crabs, giant squids, shrimp, fish, and a lot more. And the price is 950 pesos per kilo, and I'm not sure lang guys kung same pa rin ba yung rate nila ngayon. And the best part, pwede nyo pa itong ipamix and match kahit ilang seafoods pa in 1 kilo. Nakakatuwa pa nga dito kasi mabilis lang din nilang na-serve yung food namin. Napaka-accommodating din ng staff. Shoutout din pala kay Jenny Lynn for being so friendly and helpful sa pag-assist sa amin. And here our feast, we got sweet and sour crab, grilled fish, squid adobo, and garlic buttered shrimps. Guys, amoy pa lang nakakagutom na. Sobrang sarap ng pagkaluto nila and masasabi mo talagang expert yung mga cook nila dito. And yung pinaka-favorite ko is yung inihaw na isda nila. It's perfectly cooked and super juicy inside. So if you're a seafood lover, definitely try here at Ryan's Kawayanan Seafood. It's only located in Katmon, Cebu. That's all for now guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next one. Bye!